What is up, you guys? It's your girl shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick fix to tangled and matted synthetic hair. As you know or may not know, synthetic hair does not seem to last that long and it's very easily tangled. It especially gets matted when you sleep in it, and that's what I've done for a couple of days now. So, the first thing that I am using is this product right here. This product does just what it says on the bottle, which is make your wig have shine. It detangles it so well. You guys, this product is amazing. You just spray it onto your hair. I made my hair nice and damp with it, and automatically when I started to separate the hair and comb it, I felt a major difference. One thing you want to keep in mind is to comb starting with the bottom and working your way up. Another good tip would be to section the hair like you see me doing and combing it that way instead of trying to rush and just comb everything through as one big section. Okay, next I used Creme of Nature's Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse to top everything off. So you'll see me put that all throughout my hair, and then I brushed it through. And that's how I detangle the hair. Then I'm just spraying some water on a rag and removing the gel that I already have on my baby hair so I can do those over. Basically just refreshing my whole hairstyle. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support. And I'll be back with you guys with another freaking video.